Hey everybody, welcome back to Country Girl. I'm Madeline.
And I'm Caitlin. And today my mother has a Dollar Tree haul for you.
And a special guest.
Good. Hey everybody, today my special guest is my mother. And an unplanned special guest is my mother's dog, Scotty. He decided he wanted to join us because my mother can never sit down without the dogs jumping up on her lap. Shasta was here just a minute ago, but she has since jumped down. But anyway, my mama's going to be sitting here while I do my Dollar Tree haul today. And some of these things that she has seen, some of them she has not. So she's going to be just as surprised as y'all are about some of the things that I'm showing you. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to kind of randomly show you stuff. I have hauled these before and picked up some of them because once again, I'm out. This is like with anything else that I get as far as like lighters, markers, tape, scissors. I've mentioned before they always end up missing in my home, and that is these little clips here. I love these clips. They're very strong, very sturdy, and I like that they got the coating on them in different colors. I use these a lot for bags, like chip bags and stuff like that, and they're also good like if you have a bag or something that you put in your refrigerator. I just twist the top and then stick this little clip on it, and it'll actually go into the freezer and, you know, not damage it. But as many of these as I buy, they always end up missing. So I did get some of these, and you can find these a lot at the checkout area. They usually like to hang those up there. Now I'm going to hand these off to my mother so that she can
I have some of these too.
keep up with those. Yeah, I know, you're the one that showed me, and that's how I know how to get them. Okay, and the next thing that I found, they may have had these before, but I just don't remember. And these are magnetic photo pockets. And you could put these, I think they show them on a school locker, but you could put this on anything magnetic, your refrigerator. It is a 4x6, so this would hold a standard picture. And I'm going to go ahead and just open this up. It's very lightweight, so it should, you know, stick pretty well on your freezer or refrigerator. But it just has like a little clear pocket, and you just slide your picture down in there. And I did pick up 2 of those. Valero has put out some new products. They're usually really good about doing that, especially this time of the year. But something that surprised me this year is they actually have new packaging. And I really like this packaging because it just looks really high end. And so I'm just going to show you. This one is a packaging, but it's got jelly facial balm in it. And it's just, you just open it up, you just tear at the seam here, and it is zip locked so that you can zip that back. I don't know why you'd want to put it back in there, but just in case you did, you have that option. But anyway, I did get this one. Like I said, it's a cleansing jelly facial balm. It says awaken skin and cleanse away the blah, revealing healthy soft skin. And this is mainly, I picked this up mainly just for like a little fun item, just to try out to see how we like it. So I really need to do a spa day to try and use up some of the stuff that we got. But I did get this one. I didn't get all the ones that they had in the package. They did have some other stuff, kind of like some face serum and stuff like that, but I just didn't get those. This one is a brightening eye cream. And it just says provides instant brightness and lightweight hydration to reduce the look of tired eyes and awaken your natural beauty. So that is in that package. And of course you got all the ingredients and everything on the back. And again, this would be a very nice to put into a gift basket. And then this one is a jelly face mask, and it's chamomile and rose petal, and it says complexion perfection. I haven't really ever used the jelly face mask. I don't know if they are like those peel off masks or what. I mean, I'm sure it's not a peel off, but the peel off kind of goes on like jelly before it dries. So I'm not really sure how that is. We'll have to let y'all know. And then I did pick up a few notebooks. Now these notebooks are new, and there's only 2 that I did not get. I did post a picture of those on Instagram so that you will see those. But these are just a really pretty iridescent type book. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. And I really like these little mini notebooks. They're just so perfect to throw in your pocketbook or a diaper bag or anything like that. If somebody's in the hospital or you're traveling and you just want to take some notes. This one says follow your dreams. And the light just reflects off of these. Oh, it's so beautiful. This one is a little cloud with a rainbow. And then on the back, it actually has like a little star. The other one on the back just had flowers. I think I did flip that over. This one is an ice cream cone with a cherry on top. And on the back, it just has the sprinkles. It's in different colors. And then this one says follow your dreams, and it has the feathers. And it's not that weird 3D iridescent that hurts your eyes. They have some bookmarks that are like 3D like this, and I can't even look at them because it makes me feel like I'm going blind. But this is not like this at all. It literally just is light shining and bouncing off of these things. I mean, oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. So this is the time of the year to get a lot of stuff, because for when it gets to be getting close to spring, I feel like anyway that Dollar Tree really just starts putting out a lot of the new stuff that they have for the year. And this is the perfect time to buy up little novelty things like this to hold back in your closet for gifts throughout the year, even up until Christmas if you wanted to. And then this one is a notepad with a gel pen. It says be your own beautiful. And they in my Dollar Trees anyway, they usually keep these notebooks around all year. I haven't seen this particular one before with this saying on it, but I like these notebooks because I am a left-handed person, and when I write on notebooks, my hand here ends up laying on the spiral, and it's just not very comfortable to write. But because this is a flip-top book, I don't have that problem. This also has 100 sheets. It is lined, and believe it or not, these pens do write pretty good. So I did pick up that, and this is really hard cardboard, so it's not going to get bent up or anything if you wanted to carry that around in a pocketbook or a book bag. So I got those. And then I picked up some more storage containers. I really like their, oh, I didn't even realize this was Rubbermaid. That's Rubbermaid, Mama. You know, normally they have the Betty Crocker, and I did get some Betty Crocker, but this is, wow, this is a pretty good deal. I got a Rubbermaid. This is the take-alongs. And I got you get 2 of them in a pack here, and this one, it does hold 5.2 cups. I was going to get like one large container because I have one at home that I use all the time, but I thought, you know what, I'd rather have 2 smaller ones. You know, that way I don't have to, you know, open up one container and dip out of it. I can just like reheat up one container at a time. But yeah, so anyway, I did end up getting 2 of those.
I like the way they open. They have a little flip handle.
Where, oh yeah, she's commenting on the lid of these. It's easy to open because you got that little piece here so that you can grab onto it and pull it. And then you just push down in the center to lock those in. So this is a pretty good, nice size. But the Betty Crocker ones they have, they're just as good. You know, Rubbermaid's just a name brand. Can't really say that they're any better. They might be a little bit better, but I did get some Betty Crocker containers. And this one I got, you get 3 in a pack. And they do have these that has a divider in them, so like on this side, so that you could put like a vegetable on this side and maybe like a meat on this side. But I got these that doesn't have the divider in it on purpose because my husband has he likes to eat that microwave bacon, and those boxes are so lightweight that whenever they're in my refrigerator, they just slide around all over the place, and I mean, you open the door and they're about ready to jump out at you. So I mainly got this because I'm going to put his microwave bacon in one of these so that I could put that in the refrigerator. And then of course I could also use this for a lot of other different items to put in the refrigerator as well. But you do get 3 of those, and this one is the Betty Crocker. If you look, it looks just almost like the Rubbermaid, and that it has like the little thing on here as well. So I did pick those up. Oh, I did get some things for Easter, and I'm going to go ahead and show these. Hopefully my daughters just will not watch this. I had mentioned before that when we do Easter baskets, sorry, the dog's still here with us. When I do Easter baskets, we just like to keep things with our Easter baskets just fun. Dollar Tree has the best things for Easter baskets, just because they have cute little novelty items. And so this year I went ahead and picked up a few. I'm not done, of course, but I did pick up the ones that I really liked and wanted to make sure I got a hold of, because I didn't want to come back later and find out they were gone. They've got these really cute little squishy toys, and this one is a strawberry, and they have like the little beads, almost like those little Orbeez inside of them. And I didn't, I'm not going to open these because this is going to go, like I said, into the Easter basket. But they had all different kinds of fruits, but I did get the one that has a strawberry. My mama likes that. She wants to have one of those. And then the other one that I picked up was the banana. And these are a pretty good size. I mean, this banana, you know, it fills up the whole entire package. And so Anyway, they're just nice and fun to play with. So I did get those. And you know, that's another thing too. When it comes to Dollar Tree stuff for Easter, you can make very inexpensive Easter baskets. You don't have to go all out and spend 20, 30 bucks on an Easter basket. You can make a very nice, decent Easter basket for somebody for around $10. Anyway, so I picked up these. My daughters like these little M&Ms. So I picked up one for each of them. And this is just the plain M&Ms. It's not the peanut. And then I also picked up, and I have not seen Reese's at the Dollar Tree before. But this is a little pack of peanut butter Easter eggs. So you get like the little mini eggs. And if you found these at Target and Walmart, you're probably going to pay more than $1, even for this little size here. So I did get some of those.
That's neat.
And then I saw some other chocolates that these are not any kind of name brand chocolate, but I love the packaging on them. I think they're absolutely adorable. And I have not seen Dollar Tree carry anything like this before. And so just look at that, how cute that is. Individually wrapped little chocolate bars. And I did pick up 3 packs of those because I'm probably going to pass these out at work with a little card or something, give everybody one on their desk. I always try to do a little something for everybody on all the holidays. And then this is not actually going in the Easter basket. I just thought it was pretty neat and I wanted to get it just to see how it would do. I may change my mind and end up giving it to my nephew or something, but this is a light up spinning top. And they had different colors. They had red, they had, I think, green and yellow, maybe an orange. So I picked that up. And then it tells you on the back, of course, how
They got a red one?
to use that. Yeah, they did have a red one. And check out my Instagram channel. When I open that up, I'll do a video of it and I'll post it over there so that y'all can see how that works out. Something else that they had that was really cute that I think is really good to put into Easter baskets is a lot of different little puzzles. They had some puzzles in tins and they also had some puzzles in these little zip bags. And this is what they look like. They have for boys and for girls, not, you know, a little variety for everybody. They have all different types of little characters. This one, of course, is Tangled. She is my favorite Disney princess. So I picked her up. This is 48 pieces. You just rip the top open on this and it has a resealable zipper here so that once they're done with it, they can put their pieces back in here. It's got the picture on the back. That way that while they're working it, they can just lay this flat and kind of look at it to see what they're doing. But I did get the Rapunzel. And then the other one that I picked up was Cinderella. And they have a lot of Disney items there. So if y'all have a trip planned to go to Disney World with your kids or anything, you could definitely get a little backpack together and just stuff it with all kinds of cute Disney items from the Dollar Tree.
That's cute.
I spotted some of these at the Dollar Tree. This is a glitter vase filler for Easter. I love these things, and I don't know why I keep picking them up because I always get them for every holiday, and I never end up using them. I still have my Christmas and fall ones in the original package in my craft room and that I did not do anything with. I'm sure I will eventually, but I just thought these were so beautiful. They actually make me think of little gumballs. So I definitely need to put these to use this year. You know, it's a vase filler, so even if I don't do nothing but just put them in a vase, but I did go ahead and pick up 2 packs of those because these will not go a long way. It looks like a lot in a bag, but once you start putting them in a vase, this would probably only fill up half of one of those glass vases that they have at the Dollar Tree. So I did get 2 of those. Load my mama down here with all the stuff. And then something else that I picked up, I got these little silver plastic spoons. These are little tiny spoons. We love these. I picked these up one time. I think it was either last summer or the summer before. I keep these in my glove compartment in my car or in my van. And if we have ice cream or anything like that that we're eating and we need a little spoon, it just comes in handy to have them. And we have definitely used them. And then I also picked up the forks. I don't know if you can really tell. Let me just take one out so you can see how each one of them looks. So this is a little fork that you get. And you know, of course, anything little is cute, and we like cute little things. I'll give that to Mama so she could put that back in there. And then the spoon is the same way. You know, you could also use this to stir coffee with too if you need to. But, yeah, so anyway. And then the last item that I picked up, this is, these are disposable washcloths. and you get 24 wipes in a pack. That's a pretty good deal. I had seen these before at the Dollar Tree and did not really get them, but well, I take that back. I think I did pick them up one time when my father was in the hospital. But my husband just recently was in the hospital, and they had some of their brand that they had used and put beside his bed, and he used these quite a lot. And so I just thought they would be nice to have, you know, in case, you know, anybody wanted to use them, you know, for just to freshen up, to take with you on trips, whatever the case, you know, put in your car for emergency purposes.
They're good for traveling.
Yeah, they're good for traveling, and you know, they're just always good if you want to just freshen up. They're good to put in gym bags. Actually, I did get some of these one time before for the girls, and I think when they were in gym class, I gave them each one to put in their gym bag. That way they could freshen up, because they don't really have time to do showers and stuff like they did when we were in high school. So, you know, anybody that plays sports, anything like that, this is just really good. It's not like your traditional wipe. They are a lot bigger. So, you know, a lot more durable. You know, let me just take one out so you can see. I'm going to take one out so we can just see how good these are. And that way you can see the size and everything. They got a really good smell. And just to let you see, this is the size of the wipe. So it's bigger than your standard hand wipe. And, you know, the thickness is pretty good. It's not, you know, super, super thick, but it's not really overly thin either. So, you know, it's really good to be able to wipe your hands, your face, whatever. You know, it's just a good size. And if you're doing any kind of care package for somebody that might be in the hospital for a while, or in a rehab center or anything like that, this would definitely be something nice to give to them too. So that is all from my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Goodbye. I'll show you what I want.
Okay, my mama's going to show me what she wants to go back to the Dollar Tree and get. All right,
Washcloths. One of these little squishy things.
And they also had some grape, I think a grape one, but I didn't pick that one up.
And I want one of these books. Maybe two of them.
What you going to do with them?
I like the feather one, because I write notes on that little old flip thing.
Well, show me the ones you want to get.
Put one in my pocketbook. I want to get the feather one. And I want to get this one. The clouds and the little raindrops.
Yeah, that's cute. I didn't even notice the raindrops earlier.
Yeah. The ice cream's cute, though.
Is there anything else there you want?
Let me see. I want one of these here. One of these magnet things.
To put on your refrigerator?
Yeah, I didn't know they had them where you could slide them in.
Yeah.
I like that. All right, I love Reese's peanut butter. And I love them because they got little round eggs, or they got the little flat eggs. And they taste delicious.
Are they both in there? Is it round and flat ones in there?
Not in the same one.
Oh, okay.
And this is also candy too, but they're so cute. You just put one in your pocketbook in case you need a little snack thing.
Yeah, just don't have it in there when it's
or
hot.
share them with somebody else. And I'm a puzzle person, but I usually like puzzles that aren't too extreme. These are cute. I've always loved the movie Tangled and Snow White, and Cinderella. And I'd like to see if I couldn't get me one. Just something to fiddle around with. And I love the idea of these wipes because they're big. They're better than just a regular wipe. Especially if you're traveling somewhere like the mountains or going toward the beach. You're in the car quite a while. Sometimes you need to use them for different reasons.
Mm-hmm.
All of it's so nice, I hate not to get some of it.